Revising your draft, making every word count. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects of the writing process, revising your draft. Ever wondered why your first draft might not sound as polished as it should? That's because writing is, in many ways, like sculpting. You first shape the clay, and then you refine and perfect it. Let's understand the importance of revising in the writing process. Revising, in the context of writing, refers to the process of reviewing, altering, and amending the content of written work. It's not just about fixing grammatical mistakes, but also about enhancing clarity, ensuring coherence, and making sure your work truly resonates with readers. 1. Clarity of message. First drafts can often be a mesh of thoughts. Revising helps streamline these thoughts, ensuring your message is clear. 2. Engaging the reader. Revision can transform a dull piece into an engaging narrative, ensuring the reader remains hooked till the end. 3. Enhancing credibility. A well-revised piece is free of errors and inconsistencies, which boosts the writer's credibility. 4. Streamlining structure. It helps in improving the flow of the content, ensuring ideas transition smoothly from one to the next. 1. First pass. Right after you've finished writing, take a quick read to identify obvious errors or inconsistencies. 2. Feedback. Ask peers, friends, or mentors to review your work. Fresh eyes can often spot issues you might have missed. 3. Focused revision. Tackle one aspect at a time, whether it's structure, tone, or grammar. This ensures thoroughness. 4. Final read-through. Once you've made all the changes, read your work aloud. This helps in catching any lingering issues. Revising isn't just a step in the writing process. It's a crucial element that can elevate your work from good to great. Remember, every great writer revises. The beauty of writing lies in refining, and that's where revising shines. We hope this video shed light on the importance of revising your drafts. Happy writing, and until next time, keep refining your craft.